Okay, so we can't go on any real field trips this year, so we're going to do a virtual field trip, and it's going to be up to New York City for the Macy's Day Parade. This is a long activity, guys. You can see it's got this is the first out of 20 pages, but it's filled with some videos that you're going to watch. There's a story that's a really interesting story that you're going to listen to, and all kinds of different activities. In fact, I'm just going to show you so that you have an idea of what to expect here. So here we go, virtual field trip Thanksgiving Day Parade. So over here on this side, you have all of your different slides, right? And I hope that's what shows up for you guys. I'm pretty sure it does. If not, there's this little kind of like arrowhead there. You can click on that. And then it comes back. Okay, so here's your table of contents. So you're going to talk about what actually is a parade, okay? Passage and reflection. Now, parades have changed over years, okay? You're going to talk about how to build a parade. You're going to have some history and create a timeline. This is, so one of the videos is here. Then the story Balloons Over Broadway is going to get read aloud, and it's a really great book. I'm not sure if we have it in our library. It's pretty new, but you get to listen to that story. Tony Sarge is the biography video of the man who is responsible for the Macy's Day Parade. I'm not going to tell you too much more because I want you to watch the video. Do a little writing prompt in response to that. And then the field trip begins. You're going to go on a tour of the parade studio, which includes the design room, the production room, the float workshop area, the paint workshop. Then you're going to meet the balloonatics, okay? And you'll find out what that is when you go through some of these other videos, and that is an additional video. Do a little science lesson with helium and an inflation experiment. Then you're going to create your own balloon for the parade. We're going to do a video on what is involved in just getting the parade set up and ready to go. Some parade elements, and then out of all the elements that are there, I'm gonna have you guys take a little vote on which one you think is the best one. You'll write a little article on what you've learned, and then there'll be some other places to explore. So we're getting writing, reading, and science all in this morning. Okay, so what is a parade? You're going to read some passages, describe a parade that is important in your culture or happens near where you live. Last year we had a lot of people who lived that their parents actually came from different parts all around the world, and it was really interesting for us to read this because a lot of people had parades for celebrations that we don't hear most often about here in America. So that was interesting. There, you're going to build a parade. You have to kind of read this because you'll find some stickers throughout this presentation. You can copy them and paste them back here. There's some parade history. You're going to click and drag for your timeline here. Okay, Balloons Over Broadway. This is the book that you're going to hear. Here's some questions that you're going to need to answer. Okay, and so on. So you've got some videos and different things that you're going to. This is a sword thing, actually. Oops. So you're going to do that. All right. This might take you all morning, guys, but that's all right. Have fun with it. It's meant to be a fun day today and tomorrow. Have fun.